Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is A Gift of Chappals. Students, this chapter is basically divided into two parts, first part and second part. In the first part, basically talks about a girl whose name is Mridu, who she lives with her Tapi and Thata. You must be wonderful about Tapi and Thapa. What is Tapi and what is Thapa? So that is very simple. Students say what is Tapi and Thapa. Tapi is a grandmother in Tamil language. Basically, Tapi is called a grandmother in Tamil language, and Thapa is means a grandfather. So in this way, Mridu lives with her grandparents. One day, Mridu's grandmother tells that today we are going to aunt's place. Her aunt's name is Rukmani. They are visiting Rukmani's place. In first part, you will see how the cousins is excited to see Mridu. Students, so let us proceed the chapter A Gift of Chappals. A smiling Rukmani threw open the door. Rabi and Meena rushed out, and Rabi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. So, with a smiling Rukmani, as you know, students, Rukmani was Mridu's aunt. She opened the door with a smiling, and Rabi and Meena rushed out. And Rabi pulled Mridu into the house, and Rabi pulled Mridu into the house. But Mridu said, wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. Mridu said, let me take off my slippers. After that, I will come inside the house, said Mridu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. So she take off his slippers neatly near a pair of large black ones. There was another black slippers were kept. To see neatly take off their slippers, her slippers near that black slippers. Those were grey, actually with dust. So that slippers means that black slippers had become grey with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. So you can see the mark of toe on black slippers very easily. So the mark of the two big toes were long and scrawny. So in this way, so the mark of the toes were big and scrawny, means thin, means you can see that marks on the black slippers. Mridu did not have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were, because Rabi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitter berry bush. But Mridu did not pay more attention about that slipper, and because Rabi took her to backyard behind a thick bitterberry bush. There inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand. So there was a inside the bush there was a torn football lined with shaking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten lapping up milk from a coconut hop shell. So there was a kitten, means there was a cat there, and he was giving milk to that cat in a coconut hop shell. We found him outside the gate this morning. So Rabi told him that he found that cat outside of the gate in the morning. He was mewing, poor thing said, and he said that he was making a sound like a mew, mew, mew. So said Meena, it is a secret, and Meena said that it is a secret. No one is aware of about that kittens, about that cat. Amma says Pati will leave for our Padu's mama's house if she knows we have a cat. So in this way, students, your first paragraph finished. If you have any doubt, I will tell you later. Thank you. Have a good day.